Hello, my name is Sylvia and I am a Portfolio Activation Specialist from the Cisco Customer Experience Center. In this video, we will review the differences between Brownfield and Greenfield licenses. In some suites of the DNA and Data Center Enterprise Agreements, there are two types of license categories, Brownfield and Greenfield. Brownfield licenses are the ones which are purchased in the Enterprise Agreement for an existing install base. Greenfield licenses are the ones which are purchased in the Enterprise Agreement for upcoming and future hardware purchases. The way they are displayed in the consumption report varies from EA 2.0 to EA 3.0. Let's start by having a look at EA 2.0. Brownfield licenses are identified with the pre-EA indication. These licenses are generated automatically on the EA start date. Greenfield licenses are identified with the Advantage or Premier indication, and they can be generated via the EA workspace as needed. Let's now have a look at EA 3.0. In 3.0, there is no clear segmentation on what is Brownfield and what is Greenfield. As you can see in this example, the pre-EA indication no longer exists. Additionally, you need to generate the Brownfield licenses manually from the EA workspace. If you are in doubt on which licenses you need to generate and in which quantities, please reach out to your Cisco Portfolio Activation Specialist. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.